Guys, check out what my cats are doing. Were you inside that little outside house, baby bushes? That's the outside kitty house that I just brought inside. And the kitties are like all over it, sniffing it top to bottom. And baby Precious just walked through it. He was laying in it for a second, but he walked through it. The guy is here doing my yard, mowing the grass and blowing my driveway. And I don't like for the house to be out there when they're blowing it. Oh, and there goes Baba in it. I don't like for them to blow all the debris all over the house, so I always bring it in. But this is the first time I brought it in and put it on the floor. And so the cats are like so fascinated. Sorry for the dim lighting. I don't have any lights on in the house right now. Let's see if I can get a light on. There we go. Were you inside, baby Bubba? Huh? Are y'all enjoying checking out that kitty house? Are y'all smelling another kitty that was in there? Huh, boo-boo? Y'all are too funny. You're just sniffing every little inch. Boo-boo, what is it? You smell another kitty? Huh? Huh, boo-boo? Huh? Y'all are so silly. Yes, you are.